All right. So today we're doing we're going to be bottling our hard apple cider from concentrate. We're going to be using these bottles. They have a nice swivel top where you can plug them up, and you can get them really closed, really tight, and that'll allow the carbonation to happen inside the bottle. These bottles are rated for carbonating inside. To get the yeast to carbonate while they come back, my yeast has been calmed down inside of my bottles. So to get them to start making more carbonation again, you have to add a little bit of sugar. So I put a little bit of sugar in each one of my bottles. To know if your carbonation is enough, because you don't want to blow up your bottles, I learned this trick from Bearded and Bored, which is another YouTube channel you should watch, where he uses a soda bottle, and he does the same thing. He fills it up with cider, and then once the soda bottle is hard to compress, you know that the compression is probably the same in your glass bottles. So we're going to start filling these up. You want to swing around here and see the cider? Don't get too close. Back up a little. All right. So you can see the bubbles have pretty much stopped, and I like to keep my cider dark. So that's why this towel is here, is to keep it dark. And we'll just put this towel on the ground. And as you can see, the color is really nice. This was six jars of apple concentrate and one jar of the grape. And the grape is what gave it that nice red color. We're going to take the stopper off, put that down. It smells better than before. It was smelling yeasty before. Now it smells good. So now all we do is get our siphon and start filling up bottles. So you stick this down, try not to touch the bottom with it. Give it a couple sucks. And then come on down here. Watch me. Come down. Come to one of these bottles. And start filling. Oh, I'm making a mess. There we go. Do you want, RJ, do you want to hold this one? Just hold right where it is. And then I got this device that lets me stop it. Oh man, I'm making a real big mess. Don't tell your mom. All right. A little bit more. Did I lose my... I lost my siphon. Oh, maybe because it's off? Oh yeah, it was off. Okay. I don't like a lot of headroom, so I'll try to fill it up the neck a little bit. There we go. That's how I like it. Are you pointing at these bottles being filled?
Yeah.
Okay. Believe me, this is a lot easier when you have help. This was so hard by myself. Now I have 3 people here. One recording, one holding the other side of the siphon, and one filling. Makes it a lot easier. If you're brewing, don't do it alone. It's a lot more fun together.
And easier.
Yep. All right. Now we might as well do the soda bottle because we need to make sure that gets done as well. And the soda bottles are also rated for carbonation, so they have to be strong enough. I've done it with plastic water bottles, and I've actually blew a cap off the top. So you want to make sure it's a soda bottle. I probably filled that one up too much, but that's okay. We can just cap this. And I'll show you how the caps work. So, well, you know how a Coke cap works. But these things are pretty cool. All you do is put this down like... Well, that one's on backwards. I'll show you this one. Can you see this one? Mm-hmm. You just put it like that, and you just push this down, and now it's sealed. If these rubber gaskets ever wear out, you can buy just the gasket part. You don't have to buy the glass topper. And I'll show you again. Oh, that one's backwards. If they're backwards, you just have to pop them off and flip them over. See? And then So I'm going to continue filling these bottles up. Want to show me on the video? Look at my face. I'm going to finish filling these bottles up, and that'll be it for this video. I'll probably do a tasting in a week, and then maybe another tasting after a week after that, and maybe another tasting a week after that, just to see the differences. And there are differences by letting them age. The longer you age, usually between like 1 and 3 months to 6 months, the better the cider will taste. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.